No wisdom, empty cup. If
This man.
Hello? No. I told you I don't just come for people's functions just like that. I'm a responsible man. Yeah. Yeah? There is food. No, I'm not busy. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Continue. Okay. You think say they're wise?
Excuse me, old man. You need a uniform to be here.
This man. Jesus is Lord.
I've been at many functions, but which people prepare this food? Are you having a wedding, introduction, birthday party, burial ceremony, and many other occasions?
Continue.
And you're looking for somebody to prepare extraordinary meals? Call or email Favor Catering Services, for they are here to make your meals the party talk.
Continue.
Contact them on 0778 850 907 or send an email on favcatering256@gmail.com. Favor Catering Services, we move.
Photo.